Today in our science class, we are going to learn about how to make circuits. It's really interesting, right? Okay, let's dive into the lesson. Okay, let's see the objectives of the lesson. The first one is construct your own electric circuits. It's going to be really interesting. And the next one, we are going to learn where do we use these circuits. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what is an electrical circuit. A circuit is an electrical device that provides a path for electricity to flow. Do you know it must include a source of electricity such as a battery? Let's see what are the components of a circuit. We can use components to make our own electric circuit. The first one is bulb or a lamp. The second one is a battery. The third one is wire. The fourth one is a switch. Let us consolidate these elements to complete the circuit. A basic circuit is shown in the image below. We see here electrical wires are connecting a light bulb to a battery with a switch in between them. Here, as the switch is closed, the circuit gets completed. These electrons start to flow and deliver energy from the battery to the light bulb, thus making it glow. Just by looking at the diagram, we cannot understand the working of this circuit as the components are still new to us. So, let's learn about the function of these components. The first and the most important component of a circuit is battery. When two or more cells are connected together, we call this a battery. The cell's chemical energy is used up pushing a current around the circuit. Next is a light bulb. A light bulb is a device that produces light from electricity. Light bulbs turn the electricity to light by sending current through a thin wire. The lamp lights up when the electricity flows through it. The next component is wire. The wires which carry electricity consist of two parts. Number 1, insulator. Number 2 is conductor. Insulator, a material, a rubber or glass that is a poor conductor of electricity. The plastic coating around the metal wires is an insulator and it prevents people from being electrocuted. Conductor. A conductor or electrical conductor is a substance or a material that allows electricity to flow through it. The next component is switch. We can use switches in circuits to control the flow of electricity. Switches are usually made of metals because electricity flows easily through the metals. A switch can be open or closed. When the switch is open, the circuit is broken and electricity cannot flow. When the switch is closed, the circuit is complete and electricity can flow. So, a switch can break an electrical circuit by diverting the current from one conductor to another conductor or an insulator. Why are circuits used? When electric current moves through a circuit, electrical energy in the current is transferred to devices that change it into another form of energy that can do work, such as providing power to lights, appliances, and other devices. So, where are circuits used? Yes, in blender, washing machine, electric kettle, television, microwave, computer, hairdryer, lamp, electric fan, vacuum cleaner, refrigerator, and there are so much. I hope you all enjoy this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, just press the like button, and for more videos, just subscribe and share to others. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.